In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your email verification code for Hotmail quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in, ensuring you understand each step clearly to make this process as smooth as possible. First, we need to get to the right starting point. So open up your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. You can simply type Outlook login into your search engine, or if you're familiar, navigate directly there through the Microsoft 365 homepage. This is where it all begins. Once you're on the site, look for the sign in button. It's typically easy to spot right on the homepage, so go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the login section where you can enter your credentials. After you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. It might look familiar, reflecting your trusty inbox and other familiar features. The next move is to go to My Profile. You might notice your name or picture at the top right of the screen. This is your queue. Clicking here will lead you to more personal settings and options. Once in your profile, direct your attention to the Security section. You'll see tabs or options under your profile. Security should stand out among them. Clicking here lets us proceed to where the real magic happens. In the Security section, you're now at the helm of your account's safety features. We are aiming for the two-step verification option. This is essential as it beefs up your account's security by making sure only you have access to it, even if someone else knows your password. Within the two-step verification settings, look for the option that allows you to email a code. It's designed to stand out as this is a critical security layer. Clicking on email a code now sends a security code to your registered email address. This step is an important layer of security, providing that extra assurance that your account remains protected. Now, let's wrap up by keeping some essential reminders in mind. When you receive the code, it usually arrives in your email within moments. Be sure to check your inbox, including junk or spam folders, in case it gets filtered there. Once you have the code, entering it on the verification page will have your task complete. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can secure and access your Hotmail email verification code with no hassle. Remember, keeping your account safe and secure is vital, and these steps help ensure just that. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.